Hello friends, welcome to Shahin's Kitchen. Today I am going to make a very yummy cake, and this cake is especially for young ones and students who can prepare cake, who do not have oven or microwave, anything to bake, but yes, they must be having a cooker. So we have to prepare cooker for baking like this. I have added 1 cup of salt and a wire stand and preheated this cooker for 10 minutes. We have to remove the lid as well as the weight, the pressure, and preheat it. Rest of the things. Another preparation is a cake tin, whatever utensil you have of aluminum one or even steel one you can take, and I have put a paper at the bottom and did a little bit of oiling and sprinkled maida so it will come out clean. This is the preparation we have to do. Rest of the things, this is 100 grams of homemade butter. I have taken homemade butter, white butter. You can take the yellow butter, ready-made one also. And remember, all the things should be at room temperature. That is the most important thing, especially when you are preparing with egg one, but this is an eggless cake. But still, keep in mind that these things should be at room temperature. This is homemade butter, 100 grams. This is 1 cup of maida. With the measuring cup, I have measured it with the cup, but generally it's almost same. And this is half a cup of sugar. This is half a cup of milk. We will adjust the quantity. If we require, we'll take some more. This is 1 teaspoon baking powder, some crystals, red and green color, some almonds, and half a cup of milk powder. This is very important. And I have taken mixed fruit essence. You can take any essence of your choice, either vanilla or pineapple. You can also add some chunks of fresh pineapple if you want to add in this cake. It tastes really great. So let us begin. Here is butter and we have to beat it. Add sugar. You can see the powdered sugar and butter has mixed very well. You can also add with the whisk if you don't have this one, don't worry. Rest of the preparation is we have to add little bit and measure baking powder and baking soda with these measuring spoons. Add little amount of maida, because once you add them, simply they settle at the bottom, so we don't have to do that. We have to divide them equally. That's why we are adding maida to it. Now add milk powder into maida. I have already sieved it. Baking powder. Mix all these things well. Add these crystals into it. Some we will keep for decorating on top, like this. Now add in small amount. Add milk. The batter was little bit thick, so I am adding some little amount of milk. 3/4 cup is enough. I am adding half a teaspoon, just little. Friends, I was telling you about pineapple chunks. I am adding I always keep fresh pineapple ready in my fridge. This is boiled one with sugar. You can see the video, and they help a lot in preparing various dishes. I often use. I am adding this pineapple. Cooker is already getting heated up. It is already ready. See, I have placed the container, and now I'm putting some of the crystals. After 10 to 15 minutes we will open and then again put rest of the crystals, because they will go down while getting baked. And these are some almonds. Some we will put afterwards. Now close the lid and keep the flame medium. On medium flame we have to bake it for about 25 minutes. Midway we will open it and check it and add these crystals to it. After 15 minutes I am opening the lid to put these crystals on top, so they will remain on top. These are almonds and these are green ones. This step is optional. If young ones are doing it for the first time, don't worry. Now once again I'm going to close the lid. And till now we have to bake it till it is done. Either it will take 25 minutes or 30 minutes. We will check afterwards. Friends, it's been 40 minutes and now we are testing it. See, it has come out absolutely clean. Yes, it's done. Let it cool, then we will take out our cake from cooker because it's very hot. Let your cake cool down completely, then put a plate like this and turn it. See how easily it has come. There was a paper lining, so no tension. How soft and how big you can see in just 1 cup of maida. So friends, do try this recipe. It's simple. Young ones can also try, and no need of oven or microwave. It's simple. Do subscribe my channel and enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time.